I think about us calling. I think about us, I think about us falling through the dark night and through time towards the light when you'll be mine. I think about us, I know the dawn is for us. I dream about us, I dream about the stardust. I dream about us, I dream of how it started and how it's all connected to everything we'll ever do. I think about what the future's holding for us. I think about the gravity and how you are pulling me. I think about the many ways I am falling for your grace, and of all the possibilities to think that you would be next to me. Think about all the time I think about us. I think about all the time that lies before us. I dream of all the things to come and of all the things we've done. I think about time and how it changes for us. Considering all the stars that came before us and how everyone has made it for us. Think of the future that has passed and of all the things that last. I dream about us, I dream about us falling. I think about the gravity and how you are pulling me. I think about the many ways I am falling for your grace, and of all the possibilities to think that you would be next to me, and of all the possibilities to think that you would be next to me. I think about the gravity and how you are pulling me. I think about the million ways I am falling for your grace.
Hi, it's sweet.
Sweet. Okay. Oh my god, guys, check it out.
Oh my god.
Whole bunch of berries over here. Thank you for the berries, guys.
Thank you.
Mmm.
Ow.
A lot of berries over here, Jess. Look at that, guys.
Eating.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, sweet.
Sweet.
Mm.
Oh, sheesh.
Ah,
Mm.
it's sweet.
Oh, Jess. That is quite a knife you have there.
Yeah.
What are you picking again?
Berries.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. We are deep in the jungles once again, trying to look for a trail.
I think it's a turn. Yeah.
A trail can't be seen, and we didn't bring our pink ribbons, so we are heading back. Nice. What is it, guava?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Guava.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here, along with Jessie girl once again. I do apologize about my hat. It is totally whacked out.
Turning around your hat.
Huh?
Turn it around.
Oh, fix it for me, baby. Oh, oh my God. Yeah, we are in the deep jungles, guys. Whoa.
Yeah.
There we go. That's a little bit better. Deep jungles, and I think you folks already seen the drone clip of those multiple waterfalls. I tried to get as close as possible, but you know, I was losing signal at certain points, so I didn't want to go. I didn't want to push it. I didn't want to push my luck because I was surrounded by trees, so coming back would be a problem if it did it on its own, guys. But yeah, check it out, guys. Using the front camera, so the quality is not as great. But I hope you folks are having a great day, right, Jess?
Yeah.
Yeah, hope you guys are having a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, hold on, guys. Oh, sheesh, yucky.
Oh, you have to like this and switch.
Look at Jess.
I got it.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Hit that like button and bell notification.
All the beans.
Yeah, thank you for watching, guys. And I'm gonna resume filming when we get back to the vehicle. All right, guys. Peace out.